Upbeat background music plays. The camera zooms in on the Gorfinty Steam Mop on the left and the Dirt Devil Steam Mop on the right. Welcome to a head-to-head comparison of two popular steam mops. The Gorfinty Steam Mop, known for its 10-in-1 versatility, and the Dirt Devil Steam Mop, which is all about quick and effective cleaning. Let's see which one comes out on top. First, let's talk about price. The Gorfinty Steam Mop is priced at $139, which many reviewers consider a worthy investment given its versatility and effectiveness. On the other hand, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is a budget-friendly option at just $74, making it a popular choice among those looking to save money. Reviewers appreciate its affordability while still being effective for sealed, hard floors. So if you're looking to save some cash, Dirt Devil is your go-to. Next up is cleaning power. The Gorfinty Steam Mop is praised by users for its high-temperature steam that eliminates 99.9% of stubborn stains, making it a powerhouse for tough cleaning tasks. In contrast, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is recognized for its ease of use and quick cleaning capabilities, especially on sealed hard floors. Reviewers note that while it's effective, it might not tackle tougher grime as effectively as Gorfinty. So if you need serious cleaning power, Gorfinty takes the lead. When it comes to versatility, the Gorfinty Steam Mop shines with its 10-in-1 functionality, allowing it to clean everything from floors to furniture. Reviewers rave about its ability to tackle various household tasks efficiently. In comparison, the Dirt Devil is more limited in its versatility, primarily excelling on sealed hard floors. While it's effective, some users may find it lacking for more diverse cleaning needs. If versatility is your priority, Gorfinty is the clear winner. Let's discuss convenience. The Gorfinty Steam Mop heats up in just 20 seconds, which is a favorite feature among users. Additionally, its long 23-foot cord allows for easy maneuvering around the house without needing to switch outlets. On the other hand, the Dirt Devil takes around 30 seconds to heat up, and some users find its shorter cord a bit restrictive. Overall, Gorfinty wins in the convenience category with faster heating and better reach. Finally, we have design and maneuverability. The Gorfinty Steam Mop is lightweight and flexible, making it easy to reach tight corners and awkward spaces. Reviewers appreciate its ninja-like agility. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil features a 180-degree swivel head, which is great for navigating around furniture, but some users find its design to be less comfortable for extended use. If you want a mop that's easy to handle, Gorfinty takes the prize again. In summary, the Gorfinty Steam Mop receives glowing reviews for its versatility, cleaning power, and convenience, making it a favorite for comprehensive cleaning tasks. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is appreciated for its affordability and effectiveness on sealed hard floors, though it may not meet the needs of those looking for a more robust cleaning solution. So what's your pick? If you need a full-on cleaning arsenal, the Gorfinty Steam Mop is your best bet. But if you're looking for something budget-friendly and effective for quick cleans, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is a solid choice. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more comparisons, and comment below which steam mop you prefer and why. Links to both products are in the description. Until next time, keep it steamy.